In this video, we'll learn how to convert decimal numbers to fractions. We'll look at three examples, converting 0.5, 0.11, and 0.105 to fractions. Before we dive into specific examples, let's understand the general process for converting a decimal to a fraction. Step 1. Write the decimal as a numerator over a power of 10. The power of 10 should match the number of digits after the decimal point. Step 2. Simplify the resulting fraction by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor, or GCD. Now, let's work through our examples one by one. Let's start with our first example, 0.5. Step 1. There is one digit after the decimal point, which is 5. So we write 0.5 as 5 over 10. Step 2. Now we need to simplify this fraction. We find the greatest common divisor of 5 and 10. The GCD is 5 because 5 divides both numbers evenly. So we divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 0.5 equals 1/2. Let's move on to our second example, 0.11. Step 1. There are two digits after the decimal point, which are 1 and 1. So we write 0.11 as 11 over 100. Step 2. Now we need to check if this fraction can be simplified further. We find the greatest common divisor of 11 and 100. Let's check if any numbers divide both 11 and 100 evenly. 100 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and 100. 11 is only divisible by 1 and 11. The only common divisor is 1, which means 11 and 100 are coprime. Since the GCD is 1, the fraction is already in its simplest form. So 0.11 equals 11 over 100. Now let's tackle our final example, 0.105. Step 1. There are three digits after the decimal point, which are 1, 0, and 5. So we write 0.105 as 105 over 1,000. Step 2. Now we need to simplify this fraction. We find the greatest common divisor of 105 and 1,000. To find the GCD, we can look for common factors. 105 can be factored as 3 times 5 times 7. 1,000 can be factored as 2 cubed times 5 cubed, or 8 times 125. We see that 5 is a common factor. Let's divide both numbers by 5. 105 divided by 5 is 21. 1,000 divided by 5 is 200. Let's check if 21 and 200 have any common factors. 21 is equal to 3 times 7. 200 is equal to 8 times 25 equals 2 superscript 3 times 5 superscript 2. There are no common factors between 21 and 200. So our fraction is now in simplest form. Therefore, 0.105 equals 21 over 200. Let's summarize what we've learned about converting decimals to fractions. First, we identify the number of digits after the decimal point and use that to determine the power of 10 for our denominator. Then, we write the decimal as a fraction with the digits after the decimal point as the numerator. Finally, we simplify the fraction by finding the greatest common divisor of the numerator and denominator and dividing both by that GCD. Here's a quick review of the examples we covered. 0.5 equals 1/2. 0.11 equals 11 over 100. 0.105 equals 21 over 200. With practice, you'll be able to convert decimals to fractions quickly and easily.